Hey guys, we're gonna do a room tour of the Gran Destino Tower Room at Coronado Springs. This one has been a great one. We've really enjoyed staying here. We got a king bed room. It has incredible views. I'll show you guys all of that. This is the new tower building at Coronado Springs, and you can watch some of our other videos, our February trip report video, to see like the lobby and some of the other places here at this resort, because it is really, really nice. So here is the room. So when you first come in the room, you can see here we did have an adjoining room, so they do adjoin if you have multiple parties. One of my favorite things here is this huge, really nice barn door that is on the bathroom door, so you can shut that in between the shower and the sink area. So it was really pretty. I liked that. Going into the bathroom here, they have a really nice shower, rain shower head. Also has a sprayer as well. Of course, you get all the pumps of the wonderful Disney shampoo and stuff to use. I loved these sinks and just the tile work that's back there. I thought these were really unique for a Disney resort and something I had not seen before. These are new. It's funny because we have these same countertops in our kitchen, so we were joking about that, how they've got great taste. We like those. And here, this separates off. There's another door that closes to separate the toilet area. And so there is the bathroom. Very nice, lots of room. So here was a really nice addition. They have this large like armoire closet area, and the light actually pops on whenever you are gonna put your clothes in there. There is a safe. There is an iron and an ironing board as well for you to use. So this was plenty of room for all of our clothes. We really appreciated the amount of hangers that they had in there. So then walking in here just a little bit more, if this looks messy to you guys, it was not them, it was us. We are horrible about remembering to do room tours before we kind of unpack all of our stuff and stay. So this is actually the end of our stay. But here is a really nice place to put suitcases and unpack. Each side of the bed has its own nightstand. There's a full-length mirror here. They also have all of the USB plugs and everything in those, which are really nice. When we arrived in the room, there was a Mickey waiting here for us, which we found was a very nice touch. One of my favorite things about the room is they do have the Keurig, similar to some of the other deluxe resorts. So those are here, and we really liked that. We use that a lot. They leave plenty of coffee for you, creamer and stuff, and then you can always call for more. This is a really nice desk area, lots of space. So if you're coming here to work or for any type of conference, then there's lots of workspace area. There were drawers that we were able to use. The art and the decor in here is just really contemporary, really modern, very nice. So there's a chair. There's also a whole entire couch here, which is great because like my husband really liked to relax on the couch after a day in the parks, and just if you need to do some work, that's a great area for that. Here is the phone. There is drawers in each nightstand. And then one really special feature is this smart TV. So when we actually arrived in the room, it had this message on the TV for us. I think we might have put that we were celebrating some type of romantic trip. This was Valentine's, so they added happy anniversary on there, which is great. and we appreciated that special touch. And then it's actually a smart TV, so you can actually select on the remote, and there's lots of different features and stuff that you can use here. And of course it says welcome Lemon's family. And so these TVs are honestly worth the difference between like a value resort and these more modern moderate resorts or deluxe resorts in itself. One of the best things about this was the view. I cannot say enough good things about the view. You can see Hollywood Tower Hotel right there, Tower of Terror. Star Wars Land is here. And then we could even see the Epcot ball off to the left over here. But just beautiful, beautiful view. We are right in the dead center of this whole tower building here. And so that gave us an incredible view. The backside view behind us here on the other side of this tower is going to be a lake view, and you're also going to be able to see Animal Kingdom more so that way. It's also a really pretty view. So we appreciated this a lot. We spent a lot of time just kind of relaxing and looking out here, and we feel like this is a really, really nice addition to Coronado Springs. Makes this almost like a deluxe resort for a moderate price, so we highly encourage you guys checking this one out.